Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and open the live translation feature on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear icon. And then you want to scroll down and select the system tile. Now you want to go underneath Live Translate. Go ahead and select that. Make sure Live Translate is toggled on here. If you want to change the translate to language, select this option here, and you can select the language you want to translate into. And you can also add additional languages you want words and language to be translated. So you select the Add a Language button right here. Select the language you want to download to your phone, and then you can set it up to automatically translate on your phone. So Live Translate detects other languages and shows you translations. Your phone will need to download languages to use Live Translate. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.